So check this out. This is literally the first time I have any issues with my car in terms of like the car, unless I've changed something on it, which is then it's not the car, it's just me not putting it on correctly. If we're in as what I'm trying to say is this is just a simple ass thing. The E36 is solid. So check it out. Check it out. That's just so funny, bro. I've never seen this guy act like this. So what is happening right now is basically my cats are messed up from down here, and it's not allowing the air to go out of the exhaust, so you're basically choking. So the engine can't push the exhaust out, so it's choking basically. That's why it turns on and dies. So what I'm gonna do today is cut the cats out and weld a pipe, basically delete my cats. I don't want to do this, I don't like to do this, but this, if I want to buy like new cats or something, it's gonna cost me at least somewhere around like 500. I've seen if one person saying 1,000, and that's just without the labor, just buying it cat. You can buy OEM cats, but you don't never know if they're good or not. And I'm also tuning my car, which means that if you install cats, it's gonna go back soon. So without more talking, I'm just gonna push the car to my garage, cut the cats out, weld another pipe onto it. This is my first time welding. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'll have a welder. Actually, this is my second time welding. I welded my seat brackets as well. The video is going to be on the channel if you're interested. But yeah, I think this is the last thing you should consider. My car doesn't run, so I'm doing this as a temporary fix, I guess. But it's gonna be loud, smelly, smoky, on and on. We'll see. Got the car here, but the jack will not go under there. As you can see, the exhaust is literally but a touch the ground. So what I need to do is use the OEM jack. I love this jack. This jack is so good. No matter how low you are, it still goes, because it goes in the side. It goes in here, as insane as it sounds. So put it up and then jack it the rear from the diff. Should be good. So I'm gonna take the middle section of the exhaust out. I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's pretty straightforward. All right, let's get this thing out.
Smoke. Fell in love with an angel in Arizona. I'll be back when I'm famous. That's what I told her when I'm back. She'll be waiting. That's what I hope for. She be bumping all the Drake shit. Ain't no cigarette in the playlist. I hope you never change. You used to love me when you're A-list, but I ain't even close enough for nothing like the same. Just she came with to that fucking party 4 years ago.
There is a, no, this one's good too, but that one right there, oof, there's a crack also, just like this one, and a little smaller one. Oh, there's a little crack right there too. So yeah, cats are not, they're clogged. Cut it, weld another tube right there instead of both of them, so it should be fine. I came to Ariel's, that's his car. If you want to see a full build up, or I guess breakdown of his build, let me know. But you can check his channel for more. He's actually low-key popping.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, dude, his videos are sick. Like, this fool knows what he's doing. Like, he's a certified filmmaker. Like, you know, that's what he did in school. So, and it shows if you see his videos, and he's doing big boy shit.
cams.
Cams.
It's 52
It's 52 cams.
right
That's
now.
gonna be crazy. But yeah.
This part's hella stressful.
What did this come off again?
Yeah, let me mark this. Hold on.
You want the
Oh,
thing?
undo it. The coilovers, they're on the way.
Oh, you got it? You got the new ones?
I'm waiting on Fortune on this.
Nice. But this car is like, this is not a drift car. If you call this a drift car, you're insulting this car. This is a nice ass. This is a.
It is a drift car.
No, don't say that. Drift car, people think it's like missiles. Nah, bro. This is like a show car that drifts.
No, it's a
Love-
drift car.
That shit's nice,
No, I
bro.
still beat the shit out of it.
I don't know how he does it, bro. Full breakdown of his build. Let me know if you want. This guy also got a purple one, just like Drew. Alright, let's get these cats deleted. We got the pipes from Drew, and then we're just gonna cut it up and see what happens. So Aviel was kind enough to hook me up with his welder, like way back, but I haven't used it since. So I'm out here. He's gonna teach me like what setting I need to be on, and then he kind of grinded the surface that we're gonna weld, so the weld sticks through. So yeah, but right there my bracket's fucked, so we gotta make sure we keep the right, I guess, spacing. Alright, so the gap here is like one finger throughout from here to there, so we have that there because this.
Don't judge me on this. It's not my best work.
No, I mean, we're doing this quick. Fuck it.
You have to go to work.
I know, but his welder can fill this gap up, so we're doing his, and I'm happy with it. So you know, said run it. Oh, sick.
Yeah, dude.
This guy rushed it so fast. Literally, just because I have work. Thank you so much. And he was in the middle of his own shit. Alright, bro. See you later. Alright, guys. So the pipe is on, as you guys saw, but I just wanted to show you a little bit different angle, see what we're working with. This is what we got. And over here, shit, what happened? Right there. Alright. Let's tack weld it and then bring it out and fully weld it, I guess. See, hopefully it goes decent. Alright, so it's welded. Drew helped me out a little bit because this side I couldn't do it, like half of it myself. He helped me out. Yeah, cats are deleted. It's ready to go in the car, and since we don't have cats, secondary oil shoes are kind of useless. So I'm blocking off with these little bolts. So yeah, I'm gonna install it. I'm not gonna show how I install it, but I'm gonna put it in the car and then start it and show you guys. Let's get it. That's why it's dying. That hose right there. Okay, I zoomed way too much. Sorry. That hose right there is being a hoe. Right there. Right there. Come on. Don't tell me you can't see it. Things is fucking talking to me. Look at his big mouth. So, I mean, I think my cats were going out anyways. so I don't feel bad about deleting it because it literally was spitting out the other week, and I thought it was that because it is pretty much that. But I'm happy I found it, and I'm going to the meet tomorrow morning, so it's good. All right, so this is what happened to the hose that goes under the CCV, and this end connects to the intake elbow right there. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this up, this part, and then slip it in and then put a clamp on it. Should be good, and then we'll start the car. Let's go. It runs. I'm so happy. Thank you, Dad. 7:44. Everyone's gonna be here at 8. We're going to meet an hour away. Car's fixed. Let's go. All because of my dad. I didn't do shit. All because of my dad. Look at that. You see that bottle right there? That bottle. And there's blood on it. That is holding my ICV hose. That's insane. I'm so happy. All right, let's throw this thing back. Cats are deleted. No weird noises. Put the car on the ground and she's a runner. A little bit more smoky because no cats. It's never this smoky, but I don't have cats now. Thank you, God. I'm so happy. Oh my God, thank God. Shit's running. Alright guys, this is another day. I'm gonna cold start it for you guys so you can hear how bad the muffler, no muffler, no cat is. I hate it. I'm getting a muffler. I'm getting a catback today. Alright. Way too loud. Way too loud. Way too loud. It's not the vibe. But no smoke. That's good. It was smokier last time. Literally no smoke. How is that possible with no cats? And I'm gonna clean my car today, so I did go ahead and grab a muffler. Or cap. This is a forgot what it was. Been looking at different mufflers or catbacks. Forgot which one I got actually. Ireland Engineering. Thank you. Because UC one is also looking like this. Dual muffler, which is pretty fucking sick if you ask me. But this is Ireland Engineering. I'm just gonna install it. I'm not gonna show you guys anything. And I did grab some new hardware. Alright guys, so polished the tips, trimmed a little bit more here. Man, this is how it looks. This thing, I love how it looks. Just so cool. It's like blast, like it's like a shotgun. Double barrel shotgun. But yeah, let's put it down and see how she sounds like. Like that. It's really quiet, but you hear that purr. It's not gone. Like you know how your car sounds like when it's really loud, it goes bop, 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 like it has cams. It still has that tone a little bit, but it's like not loud. It's perfect. Let me just get on it. Wow. be happier. It sounds so sick. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive.